Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to get any paid Google Play app absolutely for free. First of all, we need to go to Google, type in download, Aptoid. Click on the first link, click on download and install it on your smartphone. There's this game I wanted to try called Assassin's Creed Identity. So why buy it since I can get it absolutely for free on Aptoid? As you can see, it costs 7.99 reals. It's equivalent to 2.19 USD. Let's open up Aptoid. Click on search, type in the game's name or any other app you want to get. Voila, as you can see, Assassin's Creed Identity. We will get it absolutely for free after clicking on install. Alright, let's install it together. Click on the install button. We need to wait for it to install. The installation is complete. Let's open it up. Click on allow. If you have any questions, please DM me on my Instagram account or Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Where do you think you're going? For more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell till you get notified for our new uploads. Like, comment and share this video.